Hello friends, I am CA Neha Garg and I am so excited to share with all of you that I have started a series on effective leadership skills which will accelerate you in your present job role, or it will give your business a flying wings. So now, before you start watching this video, I would request you to post at least one leadership skill which you get from this video. And for the lovely viewers like you, I will give a bonus as a takeaway at the end of this video. When everybody else is busy in focusing whether Modi government is making differences in people's lives or it is just another government like past, my focus went on whether Modi is another politician or he is an effective leader as well. You must be thinking why it is important for us to know. Either ways, it doesn't impact us. We just need a better country to live with. I am also one amongst you, and as a managing partner of a CA profession firm, I realized that to grow a business which depends mainly on human resources, how important role a leadership quality and effective communication plays. My profession belongs to service sector industry, but trust me, these qualities are important for each and every business to establish, sustain and to flourish. For growing my profession, I need to manage humans and understand human psychology. As it is said, you cannot do everything on your own. And similar approach I have observed in Modi ji's policies as well, which attracted my attention. And while going deep into the study, a surprising fact came out about his leadership and self-governance policies. To make a business successful, you need to connect with people. You need to make them understand your ideology, your plan of action, and in a similar way, a leader to run its nation need to connect to its citizens, to explain them, to make them understand his goals for the country. Modi ji is the only leader who used radio as a way to communicate himself. A radio which was there since hundreds of years in our country. No one thought that a 100-year-old radio could be so impactful that, as per a survey, 7 out of 10 people listen to PM's talk. And in a survey, it has been revealed that people get motivated from PM's talk to get involved in community services. Modi ji, by introducing Mann Ki Baat, just a 20 minutes program connected to masses and discussed important topics like Swachh Bharat to the importance of Constitution. According to government data, more than 61,000 ideas has been received from the listeners. Modi ji is the leader who not only used the people who are working directly for him, but he has used each and every citizen. He has connected each one of them to his ideology, to his framework, and thereby increasing his task force. So, to get the work done for the people is from the people is one of the effective leadership quality a leader should have. I understood the best way to practice office controls and office systems is self-governance. To implement this, we need to make each and every person involved with us to make them a part of our mission statement.